Man, this place is crazy. This is 4:30 in the morning, Phnom Penh, Cambodia. This is what they call the early morning markets. This is where the locals come, the restaurants come to get all their produce in bulk. And I see mostly vegetables on this side of the street, but there's stuff hanging over there, so I think that might be where the meat is. I don't know. Oh wait, I see some meat right here. Let's go check this out. It might not be something you want to see, but let's go. Oh yes, there it is. There's a giant heart liver on the table. This is 4:30 in the morning, guys. This is rough, man. This is a backwards room tour. We'll do inside the room tour tomorrow when the sun is out. So we're gonna just start with the path to the room. Koh Rong Island in Cambodia. It was quite the adventure getting over here. We might talk about that. But anyway, this is the pathway up to our room. We're in room 008 because I'm a super special secret agent. So I didn't want 007 because I was already taken. So I got 008. Anyway, we're going to go down here and find ourselves some lunch or dinner or whatever they're serving because we're pretty hungry. Did you know there's islands in Cambodia? Well, we didn't, but we're on one. We're on one of the larger islands right now. It's still small, but it's one of the largest ones. And we're here on an island called Koh Rong. K-O-H-R-O-N-G, 2 words, in Cambodia. And this is a room tour video, and I'm going to start my room tour by showing you the beach. And then we're going to take a walk up through some of the property, and I'll show you inside the room. A little more of our property here. And we do have a pool. I think we're probably going to go jump in that here in a few minutes. We just had lunch over there. It's like a bar, restaurant kind of thing, all open air, which is nice. Wonder why this one is separated off. Probably for children who we have not seen yet. It's like room temperature pool. Not seen any children here yet, but we might. I doubt it. It's kind of pretty far away, kind of pricey to get out here. So, since I happen to see the name on the wall, we are staying here at the 𝐜𝐴𝐚𝐧𝐬𝐿. Scarlet Sales. That's the restaurant. Here's a better picture. Let's do this one. This is much better. So we came in from over there, the garden area, lobby. Oh yeah, shower thing right there. If you're coming back from the beach or getting out of the pool, a little outdoor shower there. Hello. This was the lobby area. I don't know what's inside of this room. We can go look. All right, we're gonna walk down the walkway here to our room. Now, when you book this place, I'll just go ahead and tell you, there's a little, I don't want to call it trickery, but there's a little something going on that kind of threw me off. The name of the place is Scarlet Sales Bungalows. So they stick the word bungalow and everything, so I actually thought I rented a bungalow. So when we got here, of course we did not have a bungalow. So these are not the bungalows. I don't even know where the bungalows are. They're somewhere else. I haven't seen them. Oh yeah, I think that might be one way over there in the weeds. But anyway, yeah. So they're honestly not much difference than what we have. And it's probably a bungalow over there. See it, the brown thing. So basically, they're just a single room house, and these are like doubles. So we are in 008. Don't get too excited. It's not a whole lot to it. This is nowhere near like a 5-star property or anything like that. It was not expensive. Anyway, Ta-da! And there's your room tour. We're done. We think this is a king. Seems like a king. It's not super hard. Let me get the curtains open. It's not really hard, but it's not soft either. It's like a medium hard. They call this the terrace. Well, there's no possible reason you would ever want to walk out this door. It's just a graveyard out there. Okay, the room is very nothing to it. There's an old chair. It's kind of dirty looking. There's a bed that's very low to the ground. That's going to be sleepable for sure. It's not that hard. We have a fairly new air conditioner set to the lowest settings, and you can feel it now. It's working good. Yeah, we have a workstation with an outlet over there. It is very dingy, dirty. Just needs a paint job or a clean up pretty bad. But I'm putting my laptop here. Just some stuff. There is a mini fridge, which we don't know if it's going to get cold or not. There is a bathroom. This one's just a little unusual bathroom. Sink, toilet, and then this part is a little odd. I don't want to go too far because I actually used this earlier and got it wet. So it's just a big giant concrete space with an electric water heater up on the wall. So you got plenty of room to walk around down in there. But we are supposed to keep this closed because it is crazy hot inside the bathroom. And that heat will mess up the air conditioner out here. And anyway, that is it. I think I paid 3 nights, $113 maybe. And that's only because I got a discount from Booking because I booked so much stuff. I got like $3 off or something. So it's pretty cheap.